Hi, welcome to my channel. I am quickly going to show you two very easy ways you can upload your thumbnail to your YouTube videos on your Android phone. First way is using the YouTube Studio app. You can download this from the Google App Store, and the second way is to do it through your browser. I use Google Chrome, so that is what I am going to show you. Let's get right into the video. To start off, from my home screen, I go to my YouTube just to show you the video I'm going to be doing this for. This is my most recent video, but I took off the thumbnail, so as you can see it has just a clip from the video as the thumbnail, which is what will happen after you upload your video. So now, to start off with the first method, I click on my YouTube Studio app on my home screen. So this is the video there. Click on the picture of the video and just a few seconds for it to load up. You click on the pencil icon at the top right hand corner and click on the pencil icon on the left hand side again. Now you click on custom thumbnail. Because I use Snapseed to edit my thumbnail, it is saved in my Snapseed folder. So I scroll down and select the picture I want, click on select and then click on save. Make sure you click on save before going back. Okay, so refresh just to be sure. So you slide down, press down to be sure your thumbnail is uploaded. So that is it for the first way. We will go back to my YouTube app just to be sure that it has uploaded, and as you can see, my thumbnail is sitting pretty. My thumbnail is chilling. So that is the first way. Second way, okay, so now I am going to try to delete that thumbnail. This is what you do when you want to delete your thumbnail. You have to select one of the pictures that are snapped from the videos, these default ones here. So I just select it back. That is what you do when you want to change your thumbnail. Just select one of those default ones. Sure, it is gone. It is gone. So for the second method, I go to my browser, type www.youtube.com, and then when it opens up, I am usually already signed in permanently because I use my phone always. If you are not logged in, then you have to sign in. Then you click on your profile picture. I am just zooming in so that you can see a little bit better, and then click on Creator Studio. It takes you to your YouTube Studio page. Just a few seconds for it to load up, and once we are there, as you can see, we can see the default picture that was snapped. But assuming this is not the video you are working on, click on videos to outline all your videos so that you can then click on the video that you want to change its thumbnail. Since mine is already at the top, I just click on it and then click on that pencil icon. It is going to bring this page up. You scroll down to where you have your custom thumbnail. Under the thumbnail section, click on there, click on browse so that you can select the folder that you want to pick your picture from. So mine is in Snapseed. I scroll down Snapseed until I get to the picture. I click on the picture. Where is the picture? Yes, I click on the picture, and remember to click on save. Remember to click save. So I click on save, and there it is. I have a new thumbnail in seconds. Right, open up. Okay, now you remember to refresh. We need to refresh to be sure your picture has been uploaded. So I refresh the page, and there it is. There is my pretty thumbnail. Just zooming in for you to see better. There it is. So easy, so very easy and straightforward. So we'll go back to our YouTube mobile app just to be sure that everything is good. I like to recheck before I set my videos to public after uploading it as an unlisted video. So when I select my videos to sort by date, I can see that my picture is there. So I have a video I uploaded a while ago on how I create my thumbnail. The link will be at the end of this video. If you are interested in checking that out, please do. Although I have gotten better, I was still just starting YouTube when I did this, so it's very beginner friendly. If you want me to do an updated version, I can. I still use the same apps, but I just know the features more. And I'm also, if you want to see how I crop out the background and customize it to be white, which is like the branding I use for my channel, I also have a video here. It will be at the end of the video also. You can thank you so much guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I make videos on YouTube, tips and tricks, femininity, lifestyles and hairstyles. So if you're interested in any of these, please do it to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.